Hello everyone. This is a NodeJS based command line interface app which helps in manipulating the files. This is the index apps. So here we will be starting with the select operation, and this will start prompting us to ask one of those operations to manipulate on the files. Based on that, this switch case will be activated, and based on the whatever the command we give, the operation will start working. Like based on the inquiries, whatever the inquiry library we are using here, that will pull the questions prompt for the questions from the command line according to over here, and validates the according to the validation over here we have given. So as of now, like yeah, don't mind about the GitHub questions, this thing that I have been using for my purpose. And as of now, for this app we are using the other parameters like this. Based on this, the questions will be prompted, and all the operations for the file management are available in the operations.js. We are using few third-party libraries like prompt, which helps us in prompting the question on the command line interface. Inquiries, like I have explained earlier, it has set of questions, the schema. So based on that, the questions will be populated. And the chart, which helps in the command line interface in the color notation. So most common, like for the errors, we are giving it in the red color, and for the positive or the other scenarios, we are giving it as a green and the blue color. So starting with this app as of now, and this app is available at the Git repository. Over here under my Git profile, it's available as NodeJS file system _ CLI. Let's go to our app and go to the terminal, new terminal. Let's do it as npm start. Now let's do the first operation, that is view, which helps us in viewing all the files in a particular directory. Okay, now I need to enter the path. Let's go to this tutorials. As you can see, all the files have been listed out here, and once this job has been completed, once again the app launches and we ask for another operation what we want to do. Let's do the read. You know what, let's start with the write, and I want to write in the desktop. I have a test folder, and I want to save the file as, like, let's say input.txt. Now it will prompt the lines. So over here I can keep on writing the new lines over here. Let's say hello world, I am Lohit, I'm doing fine. Now if you want to exit from this, simply press this format. This will be considered as exit key. That's it. The file gets created and it will be saved. Let's see the file. As you can see, the input has been created and the content is available. Now if I want to read any file, just simply go to this one, enter read. Once again I need to specify the file path. That would be input.txt. As you can see, the file content is displayed over here. Now if I want to add few more data to the same file, let's go to the append same file /input.txt. I want to add few more commands like my city is Milwaukee, weather is a bit hot. Now once again, to save this file, exit from the editing. So that is this command. That's it. Now if you see, the new content is available. Now if I want to delete this file, enter the command delete. I'm going to give the file name input.txt That's it, the file has been deleted. As you can see, why it isn't, because let's exit this one. Yeah, see, that's working actually, a bit delay. That's how we do it. And let me show you the once again. So the app has been launched, so continuously it prompts for the one of those operations, but at any certain point, if you want to stop the app, simply write the command for the operation as exit. It stops the app, because in index.js, for the exit, we are ending the app with the process.exit. So that's how we can do it. Let's see the file manipulation errors. Okay, now once again start, npm start. Now I want to view, let's give it as I don't have a test1 folder as of now. Let's give it test1. No such file directory or the scan directory is available. That's perfect. Now let me try to read a file. Now we don't have input1.txt, so let's give it that one, input.txt. Once again, no such file is available. Let's say I want to write. I'm going to give the directory as the unknown directory or not available one, and the same way I'm going to give some file name, input.txt, but since the directory is available, we can't create the new file. The same happens for the append and the delete also. So basically the command line interface app, this keeps on running with these file manipulation operations we can do. And if we have like if is there any requirement, we can do more operations, like if you want to copy one file to another file, and if you want to copy multiple files into a single separate new file or the existing one of those files, and if you want to read as content in one of the file and paste it into another file, and like overwrite all the content in the second file and add it to the second file, these kind of operations all we can do as an add-on for this same app. I think that's all. Let's say we are giving some operation that is not available in either one of these. Let's say I'm going to do concatenate. Since that operation is available, the invalid operation will be prompted over here. Once again, the app has been started. So that's how we can do it. The entire app code is available in the GitHub repository. This one. This will be available in the YouTube, and so that anyone can, if you want to try to work on this app at your local or enhance this app, you can pull it from over here. Thank you so much.